This week on DevKit Weekly, we're going to be reviewing and raffling the ARGN-H Wi-Fi development board from Particle Industries. Oh, you thought we were done talking about connectivity-centric development kits? Absolutely not. As we all know, wireless network connectivity is a heavily involved component of basically any IoT project. And when you need a board that can support several different connectivity options, includes integrated security measures for data transfer to and from the cloud, and all comes in a compact battery-powered form factor, Particle Industries has you covered. The ARGN-H Wi-Fi development board from Particle Industries was designed specifically for wireless networking purposes. It's based around Nordic Semiconductor's nRF52840, a multi-protocol Bluetooth 5.3 enabled SoC that provides support for 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi stacks, Bluetooth Low Energy and Mesh, Thread, Zigbee, and more. The SoC operates on a 32-bit ARM Cortex-M4F processor that runs at 64 MHz and includes a range of cryptographic options thanks to the on-chip ARM TrustZone CryptoCell unit, and it also provides a megabyte of flash memory with an additional 256 kilobytes of RAM. But the networking fun doesn't stop there. The ARGN board also features an ESP32 coprocessor with additional support for 802.11bgn 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, Bluetooth version 4.2, and BLE, as well as housing 4 virtual Wi-Fi interfaces. The ESP32D0WD also tacks on an extra 520 kilobytes of SRAM and 448 kilobytes of ROM. Externally, it includes an antenna switch, low noise receive amplifier, power management modules, and more, making it a smart addition for the ARGN's intended wireless IoT applications. Speaking of wireless IoT use cases, the ARGN is integrated with battery charging circuitry to enable easy connection to a single-cell 3.7-volt lithium polymer battery that will get devices set for network deployment quickly. The ARGN board also comes equipped with support for digital signal processing instructions as well as an HW accelerated floating point unit. It provides up to 8 dBm of transmitter power, which can be lowered in increments of 4 dB down to negative 20 dBm. The board also includes an NFC-A tag, a PCB antenna, a U.FL connector for external antennas, and 20 mixed signal GPIO. The ARGN also happens to conform to the Adafruit Feather specification, just like the Orange Crab kit that we reviewed a couple weeks ago. So I guess dynamite still comes in pretty small packages. The ARGN board utilizes Particle IO's Device OS firmware development platform for programming and debugging. The platform itself focuses on abstracting low-level hardware interactions, device integrations, and security so that developers can spend time simplifying software application development, utilizing over-the-air update capabilities, and sending or receiving critical data to and from devices. The ARGN is a great connectivity board to have on hand for things like small battery-powered IoT applications or securely transferring projects into the cloud over Wi-Fi. If you want to try something a bit more high-level though, there is a video tutorial from maker.io available on DigiKey's ARGN-H product page to walk you through using an ARGN board to build a Photon MQTT Logger, and I'll link that for you in the description below. If you'd like to get an ARGN-H Wi-Fi development board, you can snag one from DigiKey for just $28.23. Of course, if you're like me and you'd rather save that for the next time you don't feel like cooking dinner, you can also enter this week's raffle for a chance to win this little board here for free. We'll even pay for the shipping. That's it for this episode of DevKit Weekly, so as always, thank you for watching, good luck in the raffle, and we'll see you next time.
For more content from embedded computing design, including behind-the-scenes footage, raffles, giveaways, and just cool stuff that we're doing in general, visit us on social at the links provided in the bio below.